VHS.
Oh, mate!
What was that? Oh, McCann! Not McCann!
McCann!
Search for greatness.
How's it, Ding Dong?
Search indeed.
Yeah, not bad, mate.
So we're at Dead Horse Point, which is pretty much next to Canyonland. Let me just tell you though, this is quite important. You get one of these, right? And this is like a year pass, which can go to all the Southwest Utah national parks. So that'll cover Arches, Canyonlands, basically all the ones you want to go to. However, it doesn't cover Dead Horse Point. Because it's a state park, you need to get a receipt which is separate. We obviously didn't know that, but if you get this, that is $15 to get into this park because it's a state park, not a national park. Tip of the day. I mean, if we do the one over there, it takes us around to Dead Horse Point. Yeah. So I guess we should start with that one. Let's just do that. The reason we're taking this route today, which is super flat, is because if you remember, yesterday, Ross really hurt his leg. It's been hurting actually for a couple of days, but it kind of came to a peak climax of hurt yesterday, and he really struggled getting back up like basically the cliff. So he wasn't in the best of moods. Bloody fantastic views though. I mean, look at it. Yeah, it's not a natural formation. What part's the dead horse of it? It's a big old place, America, isn't it? It might be too big. Might be. I have no idea where Johnny and Ross is. Oh. Sometimes you've got to come off-piste to get a good old view. Where the hell am I? I was following tracks on the ground. Look, these. Oh God. I don't have any food. Oh mate, what am I doing? It's not there. Where am I? I'm the only person on the trip without mobile data. It's good that I'm alone, isn't it? Oh, what? This is just not the way. Spider web. Oh, there we go. Okay. So these are called cairns. C-A-I-R-N-S. They kind of create the outline of a path. But I don't know if I'm going back to where I started or if I'm going back to where the car is. People. Found them. We're in Junction. Whose place is that again? Stacey's maybe?
51 Thompson.
51 Thompson. But look, got a cassette player built in to the built into the wall. An very old microwave which doesn't rotate. That's cool. Oh yeah, actual VHS.
Oh mate!
What was that? Oh, McCann. Not McCann.
McCann. Babs. Babs. Do you like your ibuprofen biscuit flavoured?
It's like expanded on
Oh, you can like peel it off.
Yeah, it's just biscuit.
Might as well cook them now.
Yeah.
I think most of it's just peeled straight off, but...
I love how the washing machine and dryer are super modern.
Is it like hand drying?
No, it's
Oh, sick!
This is a really good room. Have you taken a poo already?
No, you keep fine.
It's not me. So we're in Junction, about an hour away from Bryce Canyon. What? I really like this place. Just try and get the barbecue going. So I think Bryce is over there, or there, maybe there, I don't know, but nice place.